what's up. It is nighttime. We're using our shop light. We're out here with Dylan's 2015 Impreza 2-liter I. And we are going to install a HPS cold air intake system, which he just purchased for it. Now if you look down here, you'll see it's all pretty much stock except for the fact he modified his air box and he's got a Spectre cone filter in there, but it's got the stock donkey deck on it here with a big old resonator down here, and you can't see that real well, but it sucks up all the noise so he doesn't get any sound. He doesn't like it. I'll hook his mass airflow sensor, very important. And yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start tearing and Dylan's gonna videotape. Now here's what it comes with. We got the HPS tube, you got it in matte black. It comes with a K&N air filter, heat plate, couplers with some really nice clamps, and the piece of tube and sleeve to make it work. So here we go.
Alright. Here we go. Yep.
Are you ready for some maximum?
Oh, dude. Well, at the time, I had to homemade this shit because at the time they weren't selling intakes for my car yet. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my own. So I did.
It worked, didn't it?
And it works just as good so far, but it just not enough air gets to it.
It just kind of looks janky.
Yeah, just not enough air gets to it. It still has the box on there and all that extra shit.
We have to go find a Phillips screwdriver, take your mass airflow sensor out. I completely forgot about that, but that's not important right now.
I'm gonna take that box right out.
Oh yeah, of course I'm gonna.
Oh yeah!
You don't need that shit in here.
Bitch!
Pop these clips out.
Those are just, I got other clips too, so if you break them, you know.
Well, we don't ever need them, really. You don't have to put that thing back in. I probably wouldn't. We'll see what.
Well, we'll see how it is.
Oh shit! It probably doesn't even fit with the.
Oh, probably. Chuck that, bitch.
That's what we think of stock parts.
Just fucking chuck that. Just chuck it. We don't need it. Stock is.
You can't just chuck it.
Dude, if it's stock, it goes.
I grabbed my most premium of tools. I didn't even look to see if they were the right sizes.
You're an idiot.
Well, I didn't. I grabbed them off my dad's toolbox, and I didn't even look to see if any of them were like labeled properly. The sockets were in the right spot. But 90% of the bolts on Subaru are, well, pretty much all the bolts on Subaru are 10, 14, 12, and the axle nuts are 32 millimeters.
True
So
indeed.
Basically,
you have all.
You can rebuild a Subaru with a Walmart Fisher Price tool set.
Is it me or is that look weird?
What?
Does that look janky? Oh.
Oh,
I was like, that looks janky, dude. What the fuck?
You can't steal my words.
That's your words, janky?
Janky.
Don't lose my iPhone in there. That shit's expensive.
Listen.
You gonna buy me another one?
You have the most premium phone ever in your hand right now.
Oh yeah, fucking Samsung really does it magic, don't it?
Yeah. How much recording time do we have left?
You got about good 5 minutes or so.
That's it?
Yeah, you're at almost 3 minutes, and there's 7:10, so about 5 minutes.
Dang. So we're gonna finish pulling this stuff out, and we'll get right back to you. Just hit that there pause button.
I'll hit that pause button.
Hold
on. All right. Now we're back.
We got everything pulled off. Remember to take this little hose off right here. Did you just hit your head on the
Yep,
hood?
I did.
That's funny.
Shut the fuck up, dude. I couldn't see, dude. This is what happens when you're looking at the screen the whole
now
time.
we're gonna start throwing shit on here.
Fucking wham, bitch.
So we got these nuts.
These nuts.
Hose. Do we need the directions?
Yeah, you should probably at least.
It came with stickers. I want one.
No, bitch.
I get one. That's my install fee.
That's all right. You know.
What is the purpose of this thing?
Dude, it's the tube that goes between. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like another filter or something.
No, that thing's ghetto. We ain't using it.
I know like one of them is supposed to go between, like from the inside.
Yee.
Yeah, yeah.
Aight.
Alright, bitch, bet.
Miss Jean Charlotte.
Alright, bitch, bet.
I like it. I want the HPS facing up because I'm picky as shit. Not that you're gonna be able to see it anyway. But
Yeah, all that extra bullshit you're doing right now is not gonna be seen. Oh, don't drop my phone, dude. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
I know how we survive.
Dude, I'll fucking lose my shithole.
So we're putting all this on. Saved forever because I wasn't smart enough to grab my electric impact.
Yep.
We're back in the custom outside garage again.
Yeah, dude, fucking look at the light. Yep.
Yeah, you should take the camera light away from me.
Why?
Being sarcastic. Miss Jean Charlotte.
Who?
Oh.
Who's Jean Charlotte?
That chick.
Who?
I don't know, bro.
Who the hell is Jean Charlotte?
It's that. I don't know. From that show. That skit, you know.
Oh, a Mad TV skit?
Yeah, you rock that up, dude, girl.
Where your boyfriend at? Is he coming back? Is he getting you Mike and Ike's? Oh, you like Mike and Ike's?
Is he bigger than me? So, can I get that number? Can I have it?
Oh yeah, no, that's good, dude. That skit made me laugh so hard when I first saw that.
Oh my god.
Dude, I miss Mad TV, dude. I wish they'd bring it back.
Me too. This takes forever.
Dude, you should have brought the impact, dude. You know what the fuck?
I know it'd have been done right now.
Yeah.
If I had to go and be stupid.
Stupid. It was stupid.
What you got so stupid?
I wish you'd get it in the hole.
She said. Tight. Maybe I shouldn't have tightened it yet.
Yeah, maybe.
Hold on. We can get. We'll finger it out.
We're finna figure it out.
No, we'll check this plate. See.
At least it fits good. I thought it was gonna be a lot more tight than that, but.
She's so.
What?
Huh? This is
It kind of sits in the bottom, so it covers it up. I think. I'm pretty sure. Goes in there somehow. I just think you have it in there wrong.
When all else fails, get the directions.
Right here, the hole. See these holes,
No,
brackets?
we need a picker.
Dude, there's brackets there.
Show me a picture. Okay,
Hold on. There you go.
So we're back now. We got the intake tube on. We got the bracket on. We got the heat shield in. We got this little. They give you. It's stuck now, but they give you this thing to put in there to protect the mass airflow sensor from getting damaged and dirty.
It's stuck now.
We haven't tightened any of this stuff yet. We still got to put the tube on. But right now we're gonna put the filter on. So we can.
She's almost done though. We almost have it all complete.
Oh. Sorry we ran out of recording time there, guys. We had to do some altercations. So you got more stickers. You got K&N stickers. You got HPS stickers.
Yeah, dude. Don't be fucking with my stickers.
Got that sticker game strong. Those are like, Jesus. I mean, you got like 40 horsepower's worth of stickers. You know. I mean.
You think so?
Yeah, dude.
I think she goes on more than that.
No, that's as far as it goes. It's designed. It's a custom.
Why are you yelling at me?
I'm not yelling. Why does everybody always think I'm yelling?
Because you're loud.
Why am I yelling? DJ Khaled!
You have problems.
I'm Kendall Jenner.
I got a vagina.
I'm gonna explore that right now.
You're so fucking stupid. I got a vagina.
Alright.
I.
So, we're gonna put the hose on now.
Hose. Put the hose on.
They even gave us new bolts for the master. Look at it, it goes just like this.
Oh!
Nuts hanging.
Just leave the nuts hanging out.
Oh, yeah.
That's a tight fit, guy.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah.
There, now you gotta clamp her up, dude. She.
Yeah, just like that. Fresh tears. Oh yeah, that's.
Oh
nice.
yeah, she's ready for a performance.
That's nice right there. Now I just gotta tighten some stuff up. How we got. Okay.
Dude, we got about a minute.
We'll be right
25.
back with the finished product.
Alright.
Alright guys, as you can see I got my shades on because it's super bright out here. But no, seriously, it's all done. It took a whole 15 to 20 minutes of our lives. Comes with a nice bracket, the heat shield, and the nice part about this HPS intake, the whole reason we bought this intake is because it has a slot in the heat shield for the factory duct. I mean, it just sets in there, but the fact is it's there. It doesn't stuff your filter down into the inner fender well where it collects the rain and everything else. It fills that gap, it keeps it clean looking. It came with the nice extended hose. Came with the nice heavy duty clamps, and it is on there. Like it's not going anywhere. Yeah. So that being said, it looks a million times better than that mess right there. And now I'm going to start the car real quick while Dylan stands in front of here. And I'm going to give you a couple quick revs so you can hear the noise that the intake made. I didn't do a before and after video because that intake made no noise with the resonators.
Yeah. Hurry up, man. You got 22 seconds. Yeah.
So as you can hear, you got some really nice intake noise. This whole, how much was this whole intake setup right here?
Wow.
All right, hold on, I got us another 8 minutes.
Oh, we're back, peoples.
So we ran out of recording time again, sorry. So the whole intake setup was $220. It's a very clean, very nice, very simple install. You can do it at your house very simply. As you could hear by the revs, it sounds much, much better. Gives a more aggressive, air sucking, pipe cleaning tone. That's really bright, hold on. But anyway guys, this is that and that's this, and the intake is on. Please like, subscribe, pound that red button, turn the notification bell on. We're gonna be doing some more gangster stuff like this, and we wear our sunglasses at night because our future is so bright that we have to wear shades. Peace out. Are you still recording me?
Yeah, well,